The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense Intelligence update on Ukraine, July 14, 2023. On July 12, Russian state media reported that nuclear-powered submarines from Russia's Northern Fleet will not participate in the main Navy Day parade in St. Petersburg on July 30. This marks the first time since 2017, when the current Navy Day format was established, that no Russian nuclear subs will take part in the celebrations. The decision to exclude the vessels is likely motivated by maintenance needs and the desire to prioritize operations and training. However, security concerns following Wagner Group's attempted mutiny may have also factored into keeping the subs away from the public showcase. Their absence suggests Russia is keeping its submarine deterrent forces discreet amid internal tensions. The Ukrainian Air Force Command update. Between the evening of July 13 and 4 a.m. on July 14, Russia launched 17 Iranian-made Shahed-136 and Shahed-131 kamikaze drones from southeastern Ukraine near Primorsko-Akhtarsk. 16 of the drones were neutralized by Ukrainian air defenses across southern and eastern regions. Additionally, Ukrainian forces shot down 1 Russian reconnaissance UAV and 6 operational tactical drones over the past 24 hours. Air defense units, fighter jets, mobile fire teams, and integrated air defense networks across the South and East air commands all contributed to the downing of the Russian drones. Over the past couple days, the Ukrainian Air Force has conducted up to 20 group airstrikes targeting Russian occupiers. The Institute for the Study of War Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. According to Russian President Vladimir Putin's interview with Kommersant on July 13, he intends to maintain Wagner Group as a cohesive fighting force, while distancing it from financier Yevgeny Prigozhin's influence. Putin confirmed meeting with Prigozhin and 35 Wagner commanders on June 29 and claimed he offered the commanders the option to continue serving under their current leader, call sign Seda. This aligns with the Institute for the Study of War's prior assessment that the Kremlin wants to retain Wagner's capabilities, but remove Prigozhin's control. Per Putin, many commanders agreed to his offer, but Prigozhin rejected it, positioning himself against the Wagner leadership. Putin likely emphasized this to portray Prigozhin as a problem, contrasting the loyal Wagner commanders. However, former Russian officer Igor Girkin noted Putin's account makes him appear to concede to Prigozhin's demands, leaving the actual outcome of the June 29 meeting unclear. When asked directly about Wagner's future, Putin maintained the false claim that private military companies don't exist in Russia. Meanwhile, the Pentagon stated Wagner is not playing any major combat role in Ukraine. This aligns with previous reports that Wagner has withdrawn from frontline action. Overall, Wagner's position remains ambiguous amidst Kremlin efforts to restructure the force and limit Prigozhin's influence over it. The Institute for the Study of War key takeaways today. Wagner Group instructors previously in Africa have arrived in Belarus for training. Dismissal of Russian General Ivan Popov spurs anger at military leadership. Ukraine continues counteroffensives on several fronts, making some gains. Russia conducted more drone strikes across Ukraine. Russia detained Telegram channel admin Mikhail Polyakov. Ukraine acknowledges targeting Russian military sites. Limited ground attacks continue around Svatov Kremina. Ukraine presses attacks around Bakhmut, reportedly advancing. Limited ground attacks continue along Avdiivka Donetsk city. Ukraine makes limited gains along Donetsk-Zaporizhia border. Ukraine advances in western Zaporizhia. Russia works to retain senior officers without retirement exemptions. Russia consolidates control in occupied areas via residency manipulation.